portable juicer, accessories, cup with 6 blade, plus hose plus Type-C charging cable, plus lanyard. Six blade. Double-click the button to start working. It has safety protection. If it is not installed on the cup, it cannot be started. It is very safe. Use it correctly. Install it on the cup. Double-click the button to start working. Insert the hose and enjoy life. Comes with lanyard for each. Comes with a cup cover to prevent scalding. Type-C charging design, rechargeable.